Guys, hindi na ako takapka. Ayusin ko muna po ang iPad ko. Kasi tanggal na po. Gusto na. Ano po? Turn cock. Yan. Ito ko full na. Yan ang bahay ko, guys. Maglilinis pa ako na kasama. Ito po ay, tapos pupunta po yan.
Uwi na tayo? Uwi na tayo?
Alright guys, we're now back here in Mission Row. Let's find it.
I was raised. I grew up here. Up to like,
Dito ko ba? Mumura.
University of the Philippines.
Gusto mo mag-Sharon? Sharon?
UP din naman is the stepping stone for Bobby.
Hirap na lang mo kayo.
I graduated 5 years. Yeah, the art community and the art scene here is pretty huge, especially like where the mountains, the islands, everything art related, the ethnic style. It just comes out really well here. Like the stakes and the communities here. I guess it's the culture. Everyone's just so chill, very quiet.
So, I want to know, what's your...
Not here. Not
A place where I frequently go to ever since this somehow this technique place I am is only pizza pasta, but I'm more known for other just like you, ground floor, not and it's close to me, and I guess most of the Baguio hostels, but it started as the only cafe in Baguio back then. Yeah, I'm not sure how many people
Cellphone mo.
me, because when you have extra money when you're having fun, I know it's places you go to. Yeah, okay, sure.
No. Wait, don't come here.
Dude, that's so nice! One day I talked to this favorite, you know, by your local report. Like, you know what they said?
Okay.
Pagubig ka ba?
Yo, you. Where is you? Come back. Go to the jail.
Galit yan? Saan jacket mo? Hindi mo papakita sa akin. Anong kulay jacket mo?
First time at
Anong kulay? Purple? Jacket?
baby.
Pink?
Waka. Gawin mo muna.
Jake, may sasabihin ako sa'yo.
Gawin mo muna.
Jake. Jake. May sasabihin ako. Jake. Jake. Love you. May sasabihin ako sa'yo, Jake. Love you. Love you, Jake.
It's a little dry at first. I was like, is this going to be dry? It's not. It's very moist inside. There's a lot of change. The sound is fresh and good. And it's a do itself. Okay, I'll do it.
No, taxi. I'm going to
Love you, Jake.
Yeah.
Jade, sino kamukha mo?
of this is so ham.
Yeah.
Ah.
It's more pork.
Mama, papa.
It's really smoky and salty, which I like better.
Dumping.
Jade, sino kamukha mo?
Dumping sa ball.
Sino kamukha mo? Mama, papa.
I'm gonna try this. You know what I
Sino kamukha mo? Mama, papa.
Ang ina is him. Yes. Ito ko tumakas. Tapos, hindi pinuno mo. Eh, di ba? Kanta mo.
Lagay mo sa bulsa mo, mapupuno na ito. Lalagyan ko pa ng... Ah, wala naman pala yung cellphone.
One of the best meals I've ever had, actually. And I've worked at a cafeteria. That's a dessert.
And I think most
Just
vanilla affair. Yeah, so people say this is the only affair they need in their life.
Pili ko.
Why do Baguio people love that type too? I went to the market and then I was selling the kebab was making this line.
Baka siya.
That was the tagline the whole time.
Ay, summer.
They love like romantic jokes.
Yay!
There's a trend, couples who visit Baguio eventually break up. It's like a curse.
Swimming tayo, Jade.
Baguio is
Ha?
Saan? Yeah.
Go to Baguio.
Uy, yung pala eh.
Dito bahay namin.
Malapit dito, meron.
Well, every time I just had right back. I'm gonna get the airport. What about you?
Suklay ka na? Nasa suklay natin?
You guys make a guess.
Suklay mabuti mo.
What are your guesses?
Suklay natin.
Here,
Yun ang ginamit mo? Asa na?
with you guys. Honestly, the moment I heard about the name, I was like, that's kind of a Tupperware kind of name. The moment I saw the Kubo design here with a picture of the Kubo, I was like, wait, this is my yeah.
Oh my God!
Uy, ano nangyari?
Ang tito ko diamond.
Nakita mo?
I was also tuned in. I was getting for the kind of quality of food they serve, so definitely when I come back to Baguio.
Come back here, kitty. Let's go.
Aside from this, though, all the other places were really good, and more than that, guys, I just love Baguio. Guys,
Come back here, kitty. Come on.
but more than food trip, I'm gonna say
Here you go.
experiencing this cold in the Philippines, it's just like so special, guys. So you guys should definitely come to Baguio
Yes,
right now. I hope you
Mama.
guys enjoy staying up with us.
Kaya ko nga vlogger, wait lang. Nakita na nasa ni Mama Shin.
Tito ko diamond.
Wait, Baguio?
Wala dito kay G. Ano yun? Thank you, open door. Kita ko pa ito, diamond. Next.
Nasa 11 pesos and 96 centavos per kilowatt hour tayo this December. 10 centavos per kilowatt hour ang naging increase versus last month dahil sa higher generation charge.
So may additional 21 pesos a bill this month if you consume 200 kilowatt hours. Tulungan natin si Engineer Angie kung may tips siya for saving energy this holiday season.
Everybody. Kailangan natin yan sa mga family reunions. Turns out, mas tipid ang electric fan versus the use of electric fan.
Halos kalahati ang
Ano oras na umuwi pala si Mami Jane?
Without mobile app, like,
Tama, pero mag-download na ng bagong My Meralco app for a seamless and enhanced experience. May appliance calculator din dito.
thanks for the input. Merry Christmas, everyone!
To better manage your electricity usage, download the My Meralco app today.
Kuya Barney, food truck. It's here for sure. I have to buy it. So, you guys have no room? Ay, sabi niya, dito.
Nag-vitamins ka na?
Ano po? Ano na lang kami? Pupunta mo na dito mo din sa Macau Street eh. Dito na lang kayo buhay sa mahal.
Hindi na kayo pupunta doon?
Hindi na, medyo lang namin na eh.
Hindi na kayo punta doon, Tay?
Kasi aalis yata sila nga. Aalis nga yung sabi ni Tito Aro, nagagaling nga sa akin, akala niya. Iinom pa kami.
Pinapuhat ko.
Ano lang po dapat dito mo din. Ano na yung punta ko doon, may dadalhin yung sabot sa kanya ko eh.
Sabi na tayo.
Oo, sabay yung tayo ba?
Hanggang sabay tayo lumabas.
Kinamigla.
Babalik
Gusto
tayo sa
ko
bakasyon.
dyan.
Gusto tayo sa bakasyon, sabi nga ni Tita Che.
After mo mag-Baguio,
May pasok na kasi ko eh. Sa bakasyon para matagal. Ano na lang kung hindi pa siya magpakasawa.
Get out!
Diba?
Kuya,
Ano yun? Filipino food yun?
may off.
Dalhin mo tong jacket mo nga.
Libas ko na yan jacket niya. Kasi parang ano eh.